The gazelle, a symbol of grace and agility on the African and Asian savannas, is celebrated for its slender build and impressive speed. Renowned for its distinctive curved horns, it's adapted to elude predators with swift, zigzagging sprints. Gazelles exhibit social behavior, forming herds that aid in vigilance against predators. Their diet consists mainly of grasses and leaves, showcasing their adaptability to arid environments. Unfortunately, habitat loss and predation threaten their populations. Celebrating the gazelle is an ode to the marvels of herbivore evolution, emphasizing the need for conservation to protect these elegant creatures and the delicate ecosystems they inhabit.